money measurement and financial position. Our current module, very important, very basic information that we will be learning in this module. Money measurement means that we are assigning a value to the financial information in terms of reporting currency. Whatever the reporting currency is, the financial information should be valued in that currency. Well, measurement, in fact, confuses to the people for understanding. That's why I'm giving a very easy and understandable example of a table. To measure this table in terms of money value means what? But I put a question on you over here, that can we measure this table in a parameter other than the money? Yes, we can measure this table in terms of its weight. Let's assume measurement of this table in terms of weight is 10 kg. It is a measurement. Measurement of its length, 3 feet. Measuring its width, we are saying 1.5 feet. Measuring its height, 2 feet. And these are the different tools that we use to measure the table. And now finally, we are measuring this table in terms of money value. Let's say that is 15,000 rupees. And this measurement is in reporting currency. So measuring a financial information in terms of money means to give value in terms of reporting currency. Let's have a practice on it. Which of the following information is carrying money measurement? Bought 30 numbers of computers. 30 numbers of computers. We are not assigning monetary value in terms of reporting currency in this information. So it is not carrying money measurement. Bought 10 fans at the rate rupees 1,500 each, and cash has been paid immediately for it. Yes, it is carrying money measurement. Scrap dumped, weighing 150 kg. Do we have money measurement? No. Then, 5 workers are working on plant in double shift. Again, no. Then, bought raw material, worth rupees 50,000, cash is not yet paid. Tell me. In this, cash is not yet paid. But value is there in terms of currency. Yes, it is carrying money measurement. Okay. So payment of cash or receipt of cash is not the condition. The condition is that money measurement should be a part of that financial information to be a transaction, event, or condition. Well, the other concept is financial position. Financial position means that what is the entity's status in terms of resources and sources. Resources are the assets of the entity, whereas sources are the means of financing those assets, which in fact include liability and owner's equity. By the way, we will learn these terminologies in the upcoming modules. What is asset, what is liability, what is owner's equity. So in a way, when we are saying that financial position means the financial status of an entity which is having resources and sources, So the resources are assets and sources are liabilities and equity. So the equation would always be that assets are equal to liabilities and equity. For example, assets, we are having furniture and computer. Total amount is 90,000. And liabilities, we are having bank loan and some payables on us, along with owner's equity, which is owner's capital. And you see both sides are equal in terms of financial position. So the important tips that we have to remember the ITTR of this module is, number one, that financial information should be measurable in terms of money, and that money is in fact assigning in reporting currency. And then financial position means financial status, and that financial status means that resources of the entity are equal to the sources. And by the way, resources are assets of the entity, and sources of the entity means the owner's equity and liability of that entity. Keep these ITTRs very much fresh in your mind. Thank you.